Overseas Pakistanis can avail FPR tax-free mobile registration facility for up to 120 days on each visit to Pakistan. In line with the Federal Board of Revenue FPR policy, the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority (PTA) facilitates this service through its free, fully automated temporary mobile registration system available via the DERBS portal. Type dirbs.pta.gov.pk/DRS. Click on the sign up option on the screen. Select temporary registration for overseas Pakistanis and foreign nationals under user type. Select your desired option and enter your personal information. You must provide the same CNIC, NICOP and passport information submitted during immigration. Foreign nationals need to provide passport details only. Create a password. You will receive a verification email and SMS. Click the verification link to activate your account. Log in using your email and password. After agreeing to all the terms, select temporary registration for overseas Pakistanis and foreign nationals. Enter the required information. Select the number of SIM slots in your device, single SIM or dual SIM, and provide your IMEIs. And if it's unknown, dial *#06# on your handset. Enter an active Pakistani mobile number registered in your name. If you don't have one, obtain a SIM in your name before applying. Select your respective mobile operator and click Submit. An OTP will be sent to your provided phone number and email. Enter the OTP in the designated field and click Submit. Your device will be registered upon verification of the details. To check your device status, log in to your account. For further assistance, please refer to the FAQs at www.pta.gov.pk. This initiative ensures uninterrupted mobile connectivity during short stays and reflects PTA's ongoing commitment to enhancing digital access for overseas visitors.